Good morning, students. I had finished your history, geography, and civics lesson 1. Today, I am going to start history lesson 2. Name of the lesson is Early Humans. With the development of technology, life has become so easy and fast today. It takes a few hours to go from one place to another place and few seconds to talk to any person who lives in other country. In the early times, men travel from one place to another place on foot or on animals. It takes many days to reach their destination. Have you ever thought how people travel from one place to another place when there were no means of transport? Does that mean early men spent their whole life in the same area? No, it was not so. Early men traveled from one place to another place on foot or on animals. Now, social life of nomads and hunter-gatherers. Social life of nomads and hunter-gatherers. Around 200 million years ago, early men don't know how to grow crops. They didn't know how to make tools. They didn't know how to use fire. They spend a nomadic life. A person who traveled from one place to another place in search of food, shelter, and suitable climate, they were known as nomads or the nomadic people. Now, one more word is hunter-gatherers. This word, hunter-gatherers. A person who hunts the wild animals, catch fish or birds, collect roots, fruits, seeds, nuts for their food. So they were known as hunter-gatherers. It means they hunt the animals and gathered also. Gather means collecting the food from plants. In ancient time, life was very difficult. Early men ran after wild animals, living risky life. To catch fish or birds, They had to be extra alert and quick. Even collecting food from plants was not easy task. They had to have knowledge of all types of plants, whether they could have eaten or were poisonous. They had to have knowledge of making and using tools to hunt animals. Early men traveled from one place to another place for different reasons. Number one is number one, if they stayed at one place for long time, they would have eaten all the available plants and animal resources. Second number, animals move from one place to another place in search of a small prey or in search of grass or leaves. So they followed the movement of animals. Number three, plants and animals bear fruit in different seasons. So they followed seasons. And number 4, all the living beings, plants or animals, need water to survive. So they move from one place to another place in search of water. Now, how do we know about the early humans? Archaeologists discovered or excavated many things such as tools, caves, or rock paintings. These materials tell us about the life of early humans, their eating habits, their activities, and so on. At first, about the tools. In the early times, tools were made of stone, wood, and bone. Tools were used to cut meat, chop the fruits and wood. Stones were attached to wood and bone to make a spear and arrows to hunt the animals. Now the wood. In the early times, wood was used as a firewood. Wood was used to make plow for the farmers to plow the field. Wood was also used to make tools. In the Mesolithic period, stone tools were made, known as microliths. Microliths means very small tools. Now the caves. Caves were the first home of early human. They lived in the caves to protect them from heat, cold, rain, and from the wild animals. It is natural home, like a deep hole in the mountains. There were paintings also on the wall or on the roof of the caves. Now the rock paintings, early made paintings in the caves or rock shelter. These paintings were found in different parts of the country. Some paintings were found in Madhya Pradesh or in southern Uttar Pradesh. They used bright colors. These colors were made of stone, and the natural available minerals. Now, my dear students, that's all. Next day, I am going to next part of this lesson. Now, all of you have to do your assignment.